யாம் பெற்ற இன்பம் பெருக இவ்வையகம். Hello friends, welcome back to drtamil. Take a small amount of ginger, remove the skin, cut it into small pieces. Ginger helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood circulation. And it contains gingerol, which stimulates the nervous system and enhances sexual desires in both men and women. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help improving endurance in bed. And it boosts testosterone production in men, maintenance, libido, and overall sexual performance. Put it in a bowl and take a lemon. Grating lemon skin a little bit. Add 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey contains boron, which helps regulate testosterone level in men and enhances estrogen level in women. Its antioxidants provides an instant energy boost. Honey provides nitric oxide, which helps stronger erection in men. Take a lemon and cut it into half. Lemon is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which helps improve blood flow and supports stronger erection in bed. Squeeze half the lemon juice. Lemon detoxifies the body and increases endurance during intimacy. Lemon naturally boosts mood and stimulate sexual desires and keeps our energy level high. Add the lemon juice with the ingredients which is already in the bowl and mix well. Cover the bowl and set aside for a moment. Take half a liter water and boil it. Once ready, take 50 grams of black raisins and add it to the water. Boil it for a minute. Black raisins contain arginine, an amino acid known to improve sexual drive in both men and women. It contains boron content, which helps to regulate testosterone production. And now, filter the boiled water into a glass. Mix all the ingredients in the bowl into the boiled water. Mix it well and drink it for full night stand. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching and do subscribe our channel for more health info. See you in our next video.